Hey everybody, happy Monday to you. I hope your Monday is fabulous. I've got a couple pocket letters to go into the Etsy shop. I'm having a 15% off sale at my Etsy shop that ends at midnight tonight. It's July the 19th. So hop on over there and get you something on sale. It is my birthday month, so I'm passing along little gifts to you guys, and I do hope you like them. This pocket letter is called Cooking, and this one is called Home. A pocket letter is another way to cleverly and funly, I don't know if that's a word or not, organize little bits and bobs. It's really fun to have a pocket letter and challenge yourself to use just the elements in certain pockets. You know, like maybe do this on Monday, maybe do this one on Tuesday. And of course, this is a double-sided project, and that's the way you can look at it. You can look at it as a project. I put 4 of these in the shop, and they got snapped up really quick, which I was very grateful for. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's just kind of lift these up. Now we get a glare here, so that's why you'll see a few shadows, because these are collector plastic pockets. So I'm trying to like hold them in certain ways where we don't get a lot of glare. Oh, that's a little bit better. These are $12, so you get the pockets all stuffed, and then you also get a little bonus kit, because remember, it's my birthday, so everybody's got to get something a little extra. I like that idea, I like that concept, I like putting that out in the universe where you have an offering, and then you go, oh, and here's a little bonus for you. So at $12, 15% off, $4 shipping, they make a great gift to yourself. I was thinking today about the importance of giving gifts to yourself. You know, I mean, let's face it, we're girl people mostly, or we could be guy people. We're people, so we naturally like give and give and give. And then it's like, whoops, forgot to give me something. And I think that a lot of us have that issue. So there we go. Remember, this one is Cooking, and that's how you'll see it listed. All right, let's take a look at Home. I'll put this one over here for just a minute. Like I said, I enjoy doing this, but I have a real problem because I can't stop stuffing. It's like, you just gotta stop. And that's why I came up with these little packs, you guys, because remember when we did pocket letters before, I tried to put the buttons in, the beads in, the little stars in. I tried to put too much in the pocket. And, you know, that would cause the pockets to rip, and that's not fun for anybody. All right, let's take a look at Home. You can kind of look at these here, the way this works. People were swapping these and doing challenges. You know, I feel like that was maybe 3 years ago. I can't remember exactly when it was, but it seems like it was 3 years ago. I remember doing my first pocket letters at my sister's house when I was house sitting for her when she had gone on a trip, and I don't really remember where she went. But it seems like that's what was going on, because I was using my brother-in-law's, he is a lighting director. He's usually the lighting crew chief. He's been the lighting crew chief for people like Guns N' Roses, and he just got off tour with Queen, but Queen's whole year, of course, was canceled last year due to the COVID. So now he's making movies and doing TV shows. Isn't that great? But anyway, he had this great magazine. It had lots of color in it. And so that's what I was using the first time that we made pocket letters. Okay, guys. Hop on over to the Etsy store. I should have these listed this afternoon. $12, $4 shipping, and 15% off until midnight tonight, Monday, July the 19th. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for your support. Talk to you soon. Bye.